Hello everyone, I have a really rad 69 Mach 1, probably as bad as they come. This is a Super Cobra Jet drag pack car. Restoration started in 23, finished in 2025. This car is gorgeous. What I dig about it, not only that badass Cobra Jet motor, it's a factory candy apple red car, it's a factory black bucket seat interior car, it's got that drag pack motor, got the oil cooler, it's got power steering, it's got power brakes, and good news, it's a C6 automatic. You drop it in gear and you go. This is a Washington State car, by the way. That's where it was delivered new, and we're gonna kick things off up front. We got new chrome, we got new grills, we got new front splitters looking tough. The bright work around the hood, these headlights, all new stuff. As are these hood pins. Nice stainless steel units. And another thing I dig is this blackout hood treatment. Really consistent, nice, crisp edges. Woohoo! That R code shaker on there looking badass. Boy, oh boy, that looks like correct intake, correct exhaust manifolds. I know we got pictures of this motor coming together. Forged internals, we got, well, factory crank, forged rods, forged pistons, comp cam. Sounds awesome. You're gonna hear that in a moment. It's a Holley 750 double pumper, and you see we got some power steering, we got the power disc brakes, nice radiator, we got our oil cooler for our Super Cobra Jet, we got the original buck tag up on top of the inner fender apron. You can find the close-up of that in our full listing, which will be linked down below. Coming down the driver's side of the car, paint is nice and slick. I like the wheel arch moldings. Brand new set of BFGs on those mag wheels, looking sharp. Graphics are nice and even going down this car. Dual sport mirror car, I'm gonna add. It's like new felts, some new seals, a little flower pedal. Love these cars with the rear louvers and that rear spoiler. Looks really sharp. Quad exhaust tips. Nice Mach 1 graphics back here. And let me pop this trunk for you. All right, nice trunk gutter. Underside of the deck looks good, nice seal. We got the mat. Inner wheel tubs look nice, and a nice new tank. Seals up nice. We'll shoot down the passenger side. In case you're wondering, that's a 255/60, and those are 15-inch mags if I haven't already mentioned. Nice looking door gaps, nice door to fender gap. Glass looks to be new. That's a real stand-up car. And smooth action on the doors. Beautiful interior in these cars. This steering wheel is catching my eye immediately. Rim blow wheel in mint shape. These seat covers look like they're brand new too, because they are. Carpet kit, same story. And that story continues up on this dash. That's in lovely shape. You check out our gauge pack down here. We've got a voltmeter, we've got a speedo run up to 120 miles per hour, which I can assure you this car does. And it's 63,000 on the clock. Believed to be original. Of course, she's been all redone, so who cares? Up here, we got fuel gauge, coolant temp, oil pressure, AM radio, heater controls, and a full console for our C6 automatic transmission. Factory glove compartment. Now back, pretty factory stock simple. Nice looking rear cards, good looking bench. Sail panels, got the courtesy lamps working. We got tight trim all around our rear glass. Those louvers look cool. Bit of a package tray installed up there. The rest of this headliner looks nice and taut, as do the visors. The shop, that turn indicator cancels on its own. Transmission shift is smooth. Power steering feels good. This thing's got the power brakes on it too. We'll check those out. Right here, coming to a stop from 20 miles an hour. They feel great. Feels pretty gutsy. Whatever stall converter's in here, I think it's a 2800. It's really a good choice. Brakes bringing us back down. Feels tight in the turn. pedal. Turn number 2. Probably getting too confident here. You hear the tires scrubbing on the road a little bit, but the car feels tight. That is what is important. Got some paperwork with this car. You can find close-ups of this wonderful stuff at the full listing on our website. We'll link that down in the description below. You can also call us anytime. The number is 248-714-2110, or drop us a little email to inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. If you're unfamiliar with the Marti report, they kept records of these cars, and this shows exactly what this is. So it's a real drag pack, Super Cobra Jet in candy apple red over black. There's no denying what this car is. And I also have pictures throughout the restoration, which is very nice to have. If you like Mach 1s, you might want to subscribe because there's a few more coming down the pipeline as well. So be sure you stick around if you want to get the first shot at these next couple 69 Machs we have and all our other cool rides. We got a lot of cool stuff, not just 69 Mustangs.